Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect your Outlook to n8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your n8n account, and once done, go to Personal and click on the workflow that you want to link your Outlook. Then, we're going to add a first step and we're going to search Outlook on the search nodes. And then we're going to select a new credential on this drop-down menu, create, and then connect my account. Then n8n will then ask you to link your account and you're going to click on accept. Once you see this window, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!